In this video, we're going to share an incredibly effective 1-minute breathing exercise that can help you manage cravings when you're trying to quit smoking. It's simple, quick, and it works. If you're on a journey to quit smoking, you know how tough it can be when those cravings hit. But don't worry, we've got your back. Today, we're going to teach you a 1-minute breathing exercise that can help you regain control when you have cravings. It's quick, it's easy, and it can make all the difference. So let's jump right in. All right, folks, here's the secret weapon to conquer those cravings, a 1-minute breathing exercise. I promise you, it's a game changer. But first, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. Step 1, find a quiet spot, sit down or stand comfortably. Step 2, close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4. Step 3, hold that breath for a count of 4. Step 4, now, exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Step 5. Repeat this cycle 3 more times. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 6. That's it! Just 1 minute of focused deep breathing, and you'll be amazed at how it can help you regain control over those cravings. It's like a mini reset for your mind and body. And there you have it, the 1-minute breathing exercise that can be a game changer when you're trying to quit smoking. Remember, every craving is temporary, and with a little deep breathing, you've got the power to conquer it. If you found this exercise helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need it. Together, we can support each other on our journey to a smoke-free life. Thanks for joining us today, and as always, stay strong, stay positive, and stay smoke-free. We'll see you in the next video.